Hello, my friends. Let me ask you a question today. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you like reading books, watching movies, or maybe sleeping all day?
Sleeping is a very popular hobby. Many people say their hobby is sleeping, especially on Sunday mornings. But hobbies are more than just sleeping. Hobbies show what makes you happy.
Today, we are going to learn how to talk about hobbies in English. This is a very useful topic in conversation. People ask this question everywhere, at school, at work.
Even when you meet someone for the first time. One of the most common questions is, what are your hobbies? Or what do you like to do in your free time? Today, we will help you answer this question, step by step.
Welcome to Learn English with us. I'm Sarah, and we are very happy you are here. This channel helps you speak English with confidence, step by step.
And I'm Adam. We teach simple English conversations. Real English for real life. Relax and learn with us. You are in a safe place to practice English.
In today's lesson, you will learn many useful things. First, you will learn hobby vocabulary. Then, you will learn simple sentences. Then, we will practice questions and answers.
We will practice step by step. First, vocabulary. Then sentences. Then conversations. And finally, real-life practice.
Now we are going to understand the word hobby. A hobby is something you enjoy doing. You usually do it in your free time. It makes you happy. It helps you relax.
Some hobbies are quiet hobbies, like reading books or drawing pictures. Some hobbies are active hobbies, like playing sports.
Some hobbies are creative hobbies, like painting, writing stories, or playing music. Everyone has different hobbies.
That is why hobbies are great conversation topics. You learn about people. You learn what they love and what makes them happy. Hobbies connect people.
Now, we are going to learn some common hobbies. Listen carefully. Reading books, watching movies, listening to music, drawing pictures,
Playing football, playing basketball, taking photos, gardening, drawing,
painting, dancing, writing, learning languages, meeting friends.
playing video games, exercising, hiking, cycling, swimming.
Adam, is eating snacks a hobby? Many people love snacks, especially while watching movies. Popcorn is very popular. What do you think?
I think snacks are a serious hobby. Chips, chocolate, popcorn. Very delicious hobbies.
Now we are going to learn simple hobby sentences. The structure is very easy. Listen carefully. I like reading books. I like cooking. What do you think? Now repeat after me. I like reading books. I like cooking. I like watching movies. Very good.
Your turn again. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy playing football. I enjoy traveling. Excellent.
Now we are going to ask questions. Questions help conversations grow. Here is a simple question. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? These are very common questions. People ask them everywhere. Let us practice.
You can ask friends. You can ask classmates. You can ask coworkers. You can ask new people. These questions start conversations.
You can answer, I like reading books. I enjoy cooking. I like drawing.
I like playing football. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy music. I like meeting friends. Short answers are natural.
Now, listen to a short conversation. Hi, Adam. What are your hobbies?
Hi, Sarah. I like playing football and listening to music.
That sounds great. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy traveling and photography. What about you?
I enjoy reading books and cooking.
Nice hobbies. Very interesting.
Hobbies are very important in life. They help us relax. They make us happy. They reduce stress. They give us energy.
Hobbies help us learn skills. They help us meet people. They build creativity. They improve health. Hobbies are very useful.
Now imagine you meet a new person. You ask, what do you like to do in your free time? The person might answer, I like painting. I like photography.
Or they may say, I like sports. I enjoy cooking. I like traveling. Conversations grow easily.
Now we will do shadowing practice. Repeat after me. I like reading books. My hobby is cooking. I like watching movies.
I enjoy playing football. My hobby is traveling. I like listening to music. Excellent. Very confident.
Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Do not worry about mistakes. Practice every day. Confidence rose slowly.
Simple English is powerful. Communication is the goal, not perfection. Keep speaking. Keep learning.
Remember something important. Your English does not need to be perfect. Simple sentences are powerful. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Today, you learned how to talk about your hobbies. You learned useful vocabulary. You practiced questions and answers. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for learning with us. Practice English every day. See you in the next lesson. Keep smiling and keep speaking English.
Bye everyone.